So here we are with a Hyphen a season 4 reunited. So okay, we are at this point and after a long time I gather some resources. Now I am punching a 3 with 2x speed. Of course you don't want to see me punch a 3 in normal speed, okay. That's why I am gathering some resources and I would also kill some animals if I see any. Here is a big river. 118 changes are pretty good. So here we go and kill a sheep. Also, if you are wondering why Lunar Client is on the sky, it's a lunar client on the mobile Minecraft. But you can also use it on Windows 10. So here I am following Avran and collecting the essentials we need for our base. We are not teaming, but just neighbors, you can say. We are killing animals. We need food, and from the cow we can get the leather. That's why. So here I think we are going to a village, or else we will be running forever. Lol. We need a village to stop at least, or any other good structure. So, okay, let's find something. So here we can see in our render distance a village. Not a big village, but it's okay. Here he is killing the iron golem. The better golem is not good. So if now see, that's why I am telling. Now I will kill and he will follow me. That's what I am telling. In Java, it's not like that. Bedrock it's so problematic. Now he passed and he follows him. I was pretty low. That's why I did not fight. I was also low on food. So I was afraid of dying and said the respawn point. He also got iron but did not give me. I think he got 3 or 4, that's why. So here we are setting up the starter camp. But it will be clear out very soon, it's just a starter camp. Here I am regenerating my health. I had no food. I had the raw meat but I need to cook them before eating it. It will give me more saturation, that's why. Here I am replanting the crops. Here he is crafting furnace and I will make a smoker. I made the stone tools. I did not make the stone tools in this clip. I am collecting the stone and after getting up I will make the tools. He also came here to collect stones. Here I glitched out. I don't know how the heck I glitched out. By the way, I have full breath so I can see if it's day or night. I broke the furnace for making smoker but I did not have logs. So I communicated with him with our psychic language to get me some logs. In the meantime I made the stone tools, only sword and pickaxe. And so look. Here we have the smoker and we can cook food very easily. We did not have any coal so we used planks as the fuel. He demanded some planks, I also gave him some planks. I was watching the village and here comes another man. We hadn't terrified him so he gone out of our place. But this village is very small village. I don't think I will remain here for a long time. Just our starting time, that's why I'm here I think. We have a tree but very less. only one villager in this village. What can we do in this village? I'm just planting crops. He has hoe, so we did that. Next I lure two chickens and we would keep them in the pig fence. In the fenced area where pigs are there. So here I also breeded them to get me some babies. Collecting leather from the early game is a pretty good idea. We need the enchanting setup for which we need a lot of leather. That's why I'm collecting a lot of leather. I had two carrots, so I did that. Also, this is not looking good, so I placed some planks. I have very much plans for this Hyphen season 4. Okay, bye. Meet you in the next clip. So we are in the next clip. Here I was collecting a lot of food and leather and anything the animals could give. Here I found a lava pool, so I decided to make a nether portal. I would be the first person in this server to go to the nether. I made the nether portal. I fast forwarded this clip as you would be getting bored from watching me making the nether portal. So after portal I would talk with you.
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light, no. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning and where's my omega? Had to make it right. Oh yeah. There's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They be piling up inside. Inside there's a glow. Could this moment be meant to be? Lose the shadows and you'll see. Lose the shadows and be free. Black sunrise. Ain't gonna let it go. Let it go. No, there's no past, no tomorrow. You're lost in reflections. Dance with the starlight. You gotta be there. You gotta be. I want it closer. Bring me my black sunrise. You gotta be there. You gotta be there. I was trying to invade, but
So here the portal is complete. And I was preparing. I don't have flint and steel, so I prepared lava and planks would got fire and it would light up the portal. I thought. I waited here for some time. Finally, after a pretty long time, it is made, so I can go to the nether. But before going to nether, I thought it would be a great idea to set the spawn point and also a chest with some goodies inside it. Any other Hyphen members should not get this chest, so I did that. There was a lot of food in the chest. After setting up everything, I went out for dinner. So I am the first person to go to the nether in iPhone season 4. Here I saw a ghost and ran for my life. And in the meantime I died. So it's the end. Meet you in the next episode.